Hello boys and girls, let's do some math. So we're going to start the day off a little bit different today. We're going to start talking about different types of shapes, right? And I know we talk about some shapes like squares and rectangles and triangles. There's some other ones I want you to see. And they look very similar, but there's something else about them, like this, for instance. What shape is that? Yeah, we would say square, right? Except, look at this. Oh boy, there's more to it. When it's flat, it's a square, but when it's like this, it's what's called 3D, three-dimensional. So it is actually a different shape. This is a cube. It's shaped like, if you ever play a board game, you roll dice. This is the shape. It's called a cube. This is a cube. Look at that. Let's see, how many flat sides does a cube have? Let's start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A cube has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 flat sides. Look at that. That is a cube. Now look at this one. Might look like a triangle. See, with their 3 sides. This is also 3D. Look at this. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, and wait till you see the bottom of this. It's a square. It makes a square. Now you might see pictures of one of these in a place called Egypt. This is a pyramid. In fact, there's other pyramids in other places of the world. This is a pyramid. So those are just a couple shapes that we're going to be practicing later on. I just wanted to give you guys a quick taste of that before we get going on everything. We're going to do some more counting back today, right? Because it looks like we need a little bit more practice with this. So we'll get some practice in today. So, counting back by 1. You take a number, 6, and we're going to subtract 1. So we're going to find the difference between 6 and 1. We start at 6. We're going to count back 1. There's a number of different ways we can do it, right? I can make my 6 dots. 6 of those dots. If I'm counting back 1, I'm going backwards 1, so I'm taking one of these away. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just like that, right? We can also do with our cubes. Can have 6. Six minus 1, right? We're going to count back 1, so I have 6. Let's count back 1. How many do I have? Okay, still 5, right? It's still 5. Either way we do it, we still have our 5. Can also show on a number line. And we draw a number line. If I don't have one, I think you guys have yours. I think my little kitten dragged mine off somewhere. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'll go to 9. So I find my 6. I'm going to jump back 1 time, not counting until I land. 1. Look where I got. That's on a 5. 6 minus 1, still 5. 3 different ways to do the same problem. We get the same answer, right? Same answer. Let's take a look at another problem. How about we're going to count back 2, and let's start with 6 again. And let's count back 2, and let's show that we can do it like this. So 6 minus 2. Let's do our dots first. And we're going to count back 2, so we're subtracting 2 to find the difference. Take these 2. They can go away. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. Right? Now, this is just one way to do this. the other ways are going to give us the same answer, and you'll see. But if this is the way that you're comfortable with, do it this way. Okay? If you have another way, like a number line, you can do it that way. We can start at 6. We can count back 2. 1, 2, remembering to only count when we land our jump. That lands us on a 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. That's another way to do it. Here's our 6. Take away 2. We're left with 4. What is your favorite way to do it? Choose yours. It doesn't have to be anybody else's favorite. Just yours. All right? So let's try it one more time. But this is count back 3 because we're counting back 3. We're practicing that. So we're going to count back 3. So let's start off with our 6. We're going to count back 3. 6 minus 3, we're left with 1, 2, 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. Now, these, we're going to get into something real interesting starting on Thursday, or starting on Friday, with these. And you're going to see, it's going to be real cool. We'll get there when we get there. Sorry, I got a little bit excited, but it's going to be cool. You guys are going to like it a lot. Okay, start off at 6. We're going to jump back how many? 3. 1, 2, 3, and we get our 3. Look at that. It never fails. It never fails, right? We get the same answers just using different strategies. It just shows that it doesn't matter what strategy you choose. Whatever's best for you is what's best for you. That's the one you should do. If you know how to do it in multiple ways, that's even better. If you can do the dots and the cubes, perfect. Now you have backup and you can double check your stuff. All right? Okay. One more way to do it. We take our 6. We're taking away 3 this time. 1, 2, 3. And we're left with 3. There we go. 6 minus 3 is 3. Shown in 3 different ways. All right? 3 different ways. It's all strategies, right? So, before I show you your homework for today, which is counting back again, I want to take a look at just a random number on our number chart. I want us to start practicing something like this. Like, say, 25. Here's 25. If I was to tell you what's 1 more than 25, how could you find that? You could count on, right? That would mean going this way. 1 more than 25 is 26. Now let's go back to 25. If I said what's 1 less, that's what we're doing right now, right? We're counting back. So what's 1 less? 24. Good. 24. Now let's go back to 25. Here's where it gets especially tricky. What if I said, what's 10 less? 10 less? You want me to take 10 away? Yeah, take 1 10 away. If I have 2 10s and I take 1 10 away, I'm left with 1 10. 10 less than 25 is 15. Let's go back to 25. What's 10 more than 25? Well, think about it. How many 10s are in 25? 2. If we add 10 more, now we have 3 10s. 10 more than 25 is 35. See that? It's almost like math is kind of magic. Weird stuff goes on. You go, wait a second, that really worked out. And it was a lot easier than what I thought. But in my head, I thought it was going to be super hard. And then when we saw it on the number chart, oh, you just move around a little bit. Right? We'll practice more with that. Watch, and once it clicks, you're going to go, wow, I can do this. No problem. 1 more, 1 less, 10 more, 10 less. Oof. Sounds tough, and it'll be challenging, but you'll get it. You'll get it. Okay, boys and girls, thank you very much. This is your math for today. We're going to be on page 156A. 156A. And there's some more counting back problems. We'll go from 1 to 21 right here. And this one down here is a word problem that you can do. It says you're going to write a subtraction sentence and solve it. Tina has 12 pencils. She gives away 3 pencils. How many pencils are left? What is the problem that you're going to write there? And what is the answer? All right, boys and girls, you have fun with that today. We will see you for math next time. Bye-bye.